So yeah, it's this stuff here, this sort of bag crap electrostatic stuff you get with electronic gear. I don't know, for some reason it really reduces the amount of cell phone noise you get in speakers. So I'm just going to turn on the speaker and I'm going to load up a web page here. iCan has cheeseburger. It doesn't totally get rid of it, but it reduces it significantly. Okay, it stopped loading. I mean, at least by half, it actually reduces that noise. And then when you move the phone further away, it gets, it gets to a point where it's actually, doable. So, anyhow, there you go. Seems to work.